In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a DKIM record in Bluehost. Now, adding a DKIM record is an essential task if you want to enhance the security and deliverability of your emails. DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, helps authenticate your emails, ensuring that they reach the recipient's inbox safely without being misidentified as spam. Before we dive into the process, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost account. If you haven't already done so, enter your credentials and get started. Once you're in, you'll need to access cPanel. It's quite simple. Just click on Hosting in the top menu, then head over to Quick Links. Now that you've opened cPanel, you'll see various sections. Navigate to the Email section where you'll find several options related to your email settings. Here, look for an option called Email Deliverability. This feature will help you manage how your emails are authenticated and ensure they're correctly delivered to your recipients. Once you've clicked on Email Deliverability, you'll be presented with a list of your domains. Here, you'll want to find the specific domain for which you're looking to add or verify the DKIM record. Now, take a look at the status next to your domain. If it indicates valid, congratulations. This means that both DKIM and SPF, another email authentication method, are already set up and enabled for your domain. Your emails should be functioning securely, which is great news. However, if you happen to notice it says "Problems exist," don't worry. This simply means that there's an issue with your current setup, and Bluehost needs to repair it. To fix this, simply click on the Repair button located next to the problem notification. This action prompts Bluehost to automatically configure the DKIM settings for you. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require any technical expertise from your end. You might need to wait a few moments while the system processes the repair. Once done, you should see a confirmation or an update reflecting that the problem is resolved, reinforcing that DKIM is now active and functioning properly. Ensuring that DKIM is correctly set up helps preserve your domain's reputation and enhances the likelihood of your emails reaching their intended recipients without any hitches. I hope this guide has been clear and easy to follow. By taking these simple steps, you're on your way to securing your emails and improving their deliverability. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.